Hello friends. I have shared a video about Genex Laboratory, which was a penny stock. At that time, the price was around 6.38, and today it made a high of around 10.5, which means it had given a returns of around 64 percentage in just 3 weeks. This was the video, and you can check out this video as well. And if you are getting benefits from this kind of techno analysis video, techno fund analysis video, then you can or like this particular video and mention in the channel that you are liking this video as well. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you will be getting notified for all the videos that we upload in the future. So let's start with today's techno funda analysis of Tata Metallics. So I have opened a weekly chart currently, and I have drawn two resistance line as of now. So if we check this resistance line, the lower one, the stock had given a breakout at this level. It had done the retest, and again it broke out this resistance level, and then the stock had rallied almost 50% after this. So if I just show this, then it is almost 52 percentage returns in short term. Later on, this was again the resistance for the stock at 960, 977, and this is the all-time high level for Tata Metallics. So after breaking this level, the stock had given a breakout above this all-time high also. And if a stock breaks all-time high, which means the stock is very strong, and buyers are buying the stock, and probably the price will go higher. So as of now, the price had broke its all-time high. It went high till around at around 1370, and after this, the stock had retested this particular resistance line again. So I am opening daily chart right now and removing this lower line as of now. So after this breakout, the stock rallied almost 40 percentage. And what happens is, after this breakout, most of the traders try to enter in this stock at higher levels at around 1200, 1300. And after this, the stock frustrates the traders as well, because the stock is now consolidating currently, and it is moving down and retesting the resistance line. And if you see the volumes also, then volumes are also very low. So volumes are on lower side, and the stock is now retesting the previous resistance line. So currently the stock is giving a low risk buying opportunity again. The traders or investors who have missed this breakout at around 2 months back can look for this opportunity again. So the Tata Metallics is offering a low risk buying opportunity, and probably the reward, if we want to check. So let's check the target for this Tata Metallics after this breakout. I am just removing some drawings so that it's easy to understand now. So if we can calculate target in this using two methods. First is the range calculation. So this was the all-time high. It gave a breakout at this level. So this is the all-time high. This is the low that it had made before breakout, and I'm just adding this above this all-time high level. So I'm getting a target of around 1640 in this 16 around 1640, 6050. So which means it is a target of around 50 percentage returns from current price. And the second way to calculate target will be from Fibonacci retracement. So I am using this was a downtrend for this stock. I am plotting Fibonacci retracement as of now. And as you can see, I have shown this earlier as well, that this Fibonacci retracement level can be a resistance for the stock if the price enter uncharted territory. So here you can see the retracement level was around 1382. The price faced resistance at near to this level, and then the price had corrected almost 20%, 20 to 30% after that. So the first target was 1382 in this case. The next target is 2041 in on the basis of Fibonacci retracement. So the reward in this particular stock is very good. As of now, a trader can look to buy at current price or can wait for some lower level as well. The stop loss for this will be 820. I have plotted this, the lower lows, the this recent low that he had made before the breakout. So 821 will be the stop loss. The target will be around 1650 and 2000 for Tata Metaliks. So this will be a positional trade for a few months to years. So plan out your trade accordingly. So let's check the fundamentals of the company. So the market cap is around 3,600 crores. The stock P is 16.4. If we check profit and loss statement, then the company profit is increasing consistently from year on year. As you can see, the company EPS is also increasing. Apart from this, FY20, the company EPS is growing year on year. Company has paying very less dividend. It's around 6% of the EPS, but it is paying dividend, which is a good sign for the company as well. If we check balance sheet, then the company reserves is increasing year on year, and the borrowings, the company borrowings is more or less same in this range, but it had decreased from around 2017. So it had decreased consistently, and the reserves is very much higher than borrowings, which means the company is fundamentally very strong. If we check promoters holding, then promoters holding is increasing from had increased from 50 to 60% in just 3 years. So you can see here they have increased their stake gradually. If we check promoter pledging in this, so there is no promoter pledging in this particular stock. The conclusion for this fundamental analysis is the company is fundamentally very strong, and one can plan out their trade based on the basis of technical analysis, and probably the trader can look to buy at current price with the target and stop loss mentioned in the video earlier. So check out this particular trade as well for positional trade. Uh, you can follow us on Twitter and Telegram. So these are my IDs. I keep on sharing market updates, stock chart analysis, everything on these two platforms. So you can join us there. Also, there is a disclaimer with this video. Thank you, guys.